Hey, Dad. Can I talk to you?
Sure. What do you want to talk about?
I know you said I couldn't see my friends this summer with SAT coming up, but I scored 1540 on my last practice test and I'm in good shape. Can I hang out with my friends this Friday?
You can't lose focus now. Your studies always come first.
But all of my friends are hanging out without me. I feel like I'm not gonna have any friends left when I graduate.
You don't have to be friends with them forever. You'll go off to college and make new ones.
My friends are really important to me, Dad. And I feel like it would be okay to spend some time with myself after working so hard for so long.
You can have time off once you're done with SATs. You know this.
My friends don't even invite me anymore because they know I'll say no.
Let's stop there and see what's happening. What was this experience like for you?
I feel really invalidated and talking to my dad just feels meaningless.
And you?
I just want what's best for my son. This is one of the most important times in his life. He needs to start thinking about his future.
Did you get that message from your dad?
I don't know. I know school is important, but it just always feels like an ultimatum between school and my friends.
Does it help to know that your son has been scoring notably well on his practice exams?
Well, I am proud of him. He's smart and has lots of potential. I just wish he would spend less time playing games with his friends and put more effort into his academics.
Games, friends, and school are all important for your teenager. It's helpful if they have a healthy work-life balance. Did you do any activities when you were in high school?
Yes, I boxed and played soccer.
And did you make friends doing those?
Of course.
Perhaps that's a helpful reminder when your son wants to be with his friends or do other activities.
Yes, I would like my son to be able to have those life experiences as well.
Okay, knowing what we know now, trying to maintain a healthy work-life balance, let's see how this conversation can happen positively.
Hey, Dad. Can I talk to you?
Sure. What do you want to talk about?
I know you said I couldn't see my friends this summer because of the SAT, but I've been studying really hard and I scored 1540 on my last practice exam. Can I see my friends this Friday?
Congratulations on scoring 1540 on your practice exam. That's a strong score.
It's just that I've been saying no to my friends a lot that they don't invite me anymore. My friends are important to me and I don't want to lose them.
It sounds like you've been working hard, and it must have been difficult not seeing your friends for a while. You've done good work. You can hang out with your friends.
Awesome. Thanks, Dad.
Remember, I'm allowing this because you worked for it. If your scores slip or I see you slacking, the same rules will still apply.
Okay, Dad. Thank you for your understanding and letting me have some fun too.
You know, I was a kid once too.
Okay, Dad. I'm gonna work hard and gonna call my friends now.